What if I told you that image generation through AI becomes simpler? Just by imagination, you can create and design an image instantly. Yes, this is possible. AI has taken a giant leap forward. Today, I am going to showcase you an AI tool which will help you to generate an futuristic and realistic images. It's none other than GPT 4.0. Let's start with image generation, and further on I will be explaining you about what are the key concepts this ChatGPT 4.0 contains in it, and what are these pros and cons of this ChatGPT 4.0 model. So let's start. So all of you open your ChatGPT account and click on this plus icon and upload your picture from your computer. See, I have already, you can see clearly that I have already uploaded the picture and given the prompt generate a new image of this uploaded picture in a Studio Ghibli style. This is one of the style. There are many other style. Wait for some time. I will tell you about everything. So this image generation will take some time, and after some time you will see this visual effect that the ChatGPT have created. It's excellent because the image creation and the background and exact some same details is showing in this image. You can compare both of the image. As you can see that I have wear a jacket here. Also it have given the jacket, white shirt, hand in pocket, a girl passing by, then here also a girl passing by, a boy is coming from that side. Here also you can see clearly that a boy is facing toward this side, then a boy going that side wearing bag. See here it's also showing, and a bunch of people in the background. So it is clear that it is a highly qualified image generation model. On the other hand, other image generation models such as Midjourney and Ideogram, they can't generate this level of image clearance. But it is creating. See, I have generated much more images using this AI of my with me with my friends. See, there are a bunch of images. You can see it on my Instagram post. So I was telling about that you can generate many types of style. I have asked ChatGPT that, so tell me what all the style you included. So first of all, it's hand drawn anime style, Studio Ghibli style, anime style. There are a bunch of style you can see. You just go to ChatGPT and ask him about this style. It will give you, and you can read it from there. So let's deep dive into the second part of the video, in which we are going to discuss the capabilities of the model. So first capability is consistent character. What does this means? Consistent character means that first of all, suppose you create an image of a cat. Okay, then you will told the GPT that include an specs on the cat eyes. So it will create an image of a cat wearing a sunglasses or any glasses. Okay, it means that you can use the same image, the same face throughout the video or photo generation. If you want to do some change inside that picture, if if you want to change the background, if you want to change the style, if you want to change the color, so you can change it with the help of this ChatGPT 4.0 model. Actually, it use LLM to understand what user want. It understand the user thinking capability. It just don't follow the prompt and draw the picture. It understand what's the user want and what he want to give to the user. So you can change the image according to your use and your imagination. So let's move into the second capability, that is text rendering. What does this mean? Text rendering. So, in the previous time, when we used to generate image related to text, suppose we tell that generate me an article with a front page, neural cipher is growing too fast. So it will create the page, but the content neural cipher is growing so fast will not be so clear and understandable. But now you can see that this is very easily understandable and very easily you can read the text. So here you can see on the GPT homepage that they have generated an image giving a prompt, a wide image taken with a phone of glass whiteboard in a room overlooking the Bay Bridge, the field of the view, blah blah blah. इतना है. उसके बाद see here the image is so clear and so understandable that I can even read every text of from the image. You can see transfer between modalities, fixes, and each and everything. So this is a very powerful tool which has been come into the market. Third attribute of this model is upload and restyle. What does this means? You can just upload a picture and tell it to convert them into different styles or a different sketch. Simply you draw something very raw and give it to the GPT. It will convert it into a tremendous sketch which you will love it. Next section comes detailed direction. What does this means? Detailed direction. This means that you can give numerous amount of instruction in a single image. For example, I'll show you. Here is a prompt, a square image containing a 4 by 4 column grid containing 16 objects on white background. Go from left to right, top to bottom. Here is the list. There are the number of list containing inside a picture. One, a blue star, red triangle, green square. There are total 16 things which the model have to include in the picture. So let's see. See here, it have included all the 16 images which the user have told to include in that picture. The star, the rainbow, OpenAI, thumbs ups, triangle, square, circle, timer, all of them. It's include all of them. Let's deep into the last feature of this GPT model, that is transparent layer. What does this transparent layer means? This transparent layers means that with the help of this you can create stickers. You can create a sticker. See on my screen there is a prompt written, can you make me a cute minimalist raccoon eating a strawberry sticker? Use a thick white border and transparent background. So it has given us a sticker. You can use it wherever you want according to your use. So let's talk about some strength of this ChatGPT 4.0 model. So first strength is multi-turn generation. What does this means? You can generate a picture and according to your generation you can modify the picture along with the same image used in that picture, as I explained in the starting. Second one is instruction following or coherence. Instruction following or coherence means that other models such as ideogram struck beyond 5 instructions in a single image, but this model 4.0 ChatGPT 4.0 can create 10 to 15 image inside a single image, as you have seen previously. The third advantage or strength of this model is in context learning. What does this means? This means that you can combine several images and tell the GPT 4.0 to combine all of them and give you a single image and precise image blended all together. So you can see here on my screen there is an example given that it is using 1 2 3 4 5 6 pictures and given a prompt: draw a design for a vehicle with triangular wheels. Using these images as reference, label the front wheel, the back wheel, and the top of the diagram says in the small caps triangle wheeled vehicles, English patent 2025 OpenAI. So see here, it has generated the picture using multiple pictures, and again it have given the prompt: now put this in a photo taken in a New York City, and this use this same man, you can see, use the same man but change the background. So this is very powerful image generation tool you have ever seen. So let's talk about the last key features of this model, that is world knowledge. What does this means, world knowledge? So let's see on my screen. Here is a prompt written: make a visual infographic describing why SF is so foggy. So you can see here the GPT 4.0 model has given me a picture which shows that this what are the reasons of the fogginess inside the city. These are the some of the key features of this model. Now let's talk about some limitations of this model. First limitation is cropping. What does this cropping means? You can see that in this image it has cropped the upper written things and some animals at the bottom. So what does this means? You have to tell ChatGPT clearly that in which ratio you want the image size. Either 16:9 for landscape size or 9:16 for portrait size. You have to define it clearly. Second limitation is hallucinations. What does this mean, hallucinations? This means that if you give incomplete prompt to the GPT, then it will think itself and add some things and add some more details in your picture, which will disrupt your picture and damage your imagination. So give a clear understanding to the GPT-4 model so that it can understand your words clearly and generates the image according to your imagination. Third one comes high binding problem. What does this mean, high binding problem? GPT, for example, you tell GPT to draw a picture in which you include all the elements of the periodic tables. You can clearly see on this screen that it can't really generate the whole periodic table, and the images which it has used, it's not good. So come to the fourth limitation, which is precise graphing. Precise graphing means that now the GPT 4.0 model can't give you the accurate graph of anything you want, or any pie chart or some visualizable data. This will not work properly in GPT 4.0. The model is working right now. In the further days, you will see that it is capable of everything. Let's go to the another limitation, which is multilingual text rendering. Multilingual text rendering. This means that when you try to switch to the another language, for example, if you tell the GPT to write something, or to draw something in Hindi, then you can see that the image written is not understandable. And it generates anything. The another limitation is editing precision. It means that if you want to change a small thing in a picture, then it may change a whole picture while editing a small part of that picture. So it is editing precision. One of the last limitation is dense info in small text. What does this mean? This means that if you want to write a full page of a book, for example, you can see on my screen, here is a photo having text written all over through, but you can't understand it as it is dense. So it can't create a dense text-like structure. It can create a single line structure such as subscribe to neural cipher. It can create a page like that. It is easy to create, but not a dense page. Is AI replacing us? No. My answer is clearly no. It is not replacing us. It is enhancing us. It is scaling us. It is helping us to understand basic concept easily so that we can work upon the advanced concept. Just grab the help from the AI. Take the help of the AI and understand or build something basics. It will give you a foundation. You have to build a whole building on that foundation. This will help you in scaling your skill and developing more such skill inside you. The nature has a power of evolving itself. So you are the human, you are the nature, you have the power to evolve yourself. AI is here to empower you, not to replace you. Use it and experiment with it and enhance your skill with the help of AI. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Neural Cipher, and don't forget to follow our Instagram page also. Thank you.